Hello students, good evening one and all. Yeah, yeah. Today's topic is periodicity, and myself Chandrasekhar, mathematics faculty. Right. So what you are seeing on the screen, that is about EAMCET JEE NEET. Join us for free live classes daily and download our Spark Academy app. And here in this daily live classes, oh, right, here daily live classes are available. In session doubt clarifications are available. Free material in our app. Trips and tricks for EAMCET JEE and NEET. Admissions are open for 2022-23 classroom and online coaching. And here we have the faculty: physics, math, and again math and bio Vaishalima. Right? This is our timetable. We have our class on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday our class 5 to 6, and Thursday also 5 to 6. Okay, so if we see the today's topic, what is our today's topic? Yeah, what you are seeing on the screen, this is a coupon code. While purchasing any online courses or else while joining in the institution, if you apply this coupon code, you may get 10% of concession on your course fee. 10% concession on your course fee. Okay, now? Right. And today's session plan. Today's session plan is about periodicity. Periodicity. What is the periodicity and period of trigonometric functions? Let us discuss that all today. Okay. Right, then one second, you can move to the topic. Okay, so periodic function. First, what is periodic function? Let us see what is periodic function first. So what is a periodic function? A function f from a to r. A function f from, let us change the color of the ink once. Yeah, a function f from a to r. A function f from a to r is said to be periodic function if there exists a positive real number p. Okay, a real function f from a to r is said to be periodic function if there exists a real number p belongs to r. Okay, if there exists a constant p belongs to r such that f of x plus p, f of x plus p is equals to f of x. F of x plus p is equals to f of x, and for all x belongs to a, where a is the domain. For all x belongs to a, where a is the domain. Least value of p. So here p has many number of values. In that all values, least value of p is called, okay, least value of p is called period of function f, is called period of function f, and the function f is called periodic function, and the function f is called periodic function. f of ax plus b is there. For example, we have f of ax plus b. What is the period of this f of ax plus b? Period of f of ax plus b is equals to p divided by mod a. P divided by mod a. Here the coefficient of x is 1. That is the reason we are getting the period is p. But in the second function f of ax plus b, the coefficient of x is a. Whatever the coefficients are there for x, that all comes under the denominator. So the period of f of ax plus b is p divided by modulus of a. Yeah, before going to discuss the other functions, once let us see the example. For example, f of x is equals to sin x. F of x is equals to sin x. Then what is f of x plus pi? What is f of x plus pi? Sin of x plus pi. What is sin of x plus pi? Sin of x plus pi, pi plus 180, right? So sin of x plus pi, 180 plus theta. In which quadrant it is? 180 plus 180 plus x is a third quadrant. In third quadrant it is negative. So sin of, okay now, sin of, what do you get? Sin of x will come, minus sin x. So here pi is not a period. Pi is not a period, right? Suppose if you take another function g of x is equals to tan x, okay, then if you calculate g of x plus pi, then it could be tan of x plus pi, 180 plus theta, third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive, so you get a tan x. That means what? G of x. So g of x plus pi, g of x plus pi is equals to g of x. G of x plus pi is equals to g of x. Then we can call this function g as a periodic function, and where pi is the period. Where pi is the period. Understood? Next, let us move forward. For example, we have given, instead of giving directly f, they have given the question like this. Fractions are given, like c1 into f1 of x plus or minus c2 into f2 of x whole divided by c3 into f3 of x plus or minus c4 into f4 of x. Like this, there is a function in this model. In this model, we have a function. Then what is the period of this function? Then what is the period of this function? This function period is nothing but, once I can tell you what are f1, f2, f3, f4 here, where f1 and f2, f3 and f4, okay, are trigonometric functions. What do we call them? We can call them as trigonometric functions. f1, f2, f3, f4 are called as trigonometric functions, and where c1, c2, c3, c4, and where c1, c2, c3, c4 are called, c1, c2, c3, 4 are called constants, right? Then what is the period? Then the period of this given function, let us name this function as a g of x. Then the period of this g of x is equals to LCM of, okay, now LCM of LCM of periods of f1, f2, f3 and f4. Okay, now period of g of x is equals to LCM of, what do we say? LCM of periods of f1 comma f2 comma f3 and f4. Understood? So here already f1, f2, f3, f4 are trigonometric functions, and they are periodic functions with periods. Suppose here f1 function has a period p1, f2 function has a period p2, and f3 function has a period p3, and f4 function has a period p4. Then what is the period of function g of x? It is the LCM of, what do we say? It is the LCM of p1, p2, p3 and p4. Okay, now next, let us see the periods of trigonometric functions then. Okay, for example, let us move to the next page. Yeah. So, for example, f of x is equals to sin x is there. Let us say f of x is equals to sin x. So, if you see the graph of this function, 0, +1 and -1, this could be 90, 180, 270, and this side -90, -180, -270. So here we are talking about sine. So sine 0 we have to calculate, and we have to mark here. Sine 0 is 0 set. Okay, now here we can take sine 0 as 0, right? And next sine 90. What is sine 90? Sine 90 is 1. Okay, now next sine 180 is 0. And sine 270. What is sine 270? Sine 270 is -1. Next sine of -90. Sine of -90 is -1. Sine of -180 is 0. Sine of -270 is +1. So if you draw the graph, how this graph will come? The graph is okay, now the graph is coming like this. Suppose if you extend the graph for 360, if you extend the graph for 360, what do you get? You can get for 360, suppose you are extending like this. Here we have 2 pi, and this side we have -2 pi. Then the graph will be how the graph will be there, sir? Here the graph will be like it can touch that 2 pi, because 360 is 0, here also 0. Then this graph is coming. You see here, if you observe clearly, a particular shape of the curve is repeating again and again. A particular shape of the curve is repeating again and again. Suppose here, suppose we started from 0, sir. 0 to 360. 0 to 360. What kind of oscillation is there? The same oscillation is repeating again and again. The same oscillation is repeating again and again. Suppose you can see from 0 to -2 pi, 0 to -360, what is there? Again, same shape is there. Or else you started from suppose you have started from -90. If you start from -90, where this shape will stop, it will stop at +90. After +90, what is happening? Again, same shape is repeating. That means, what is our conclusion here? From 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360, what kind of shape of the curve is there? The same shape of the curve is repeating again and again. That particular length, this is 0 to 2 pi, is repeating again and again. So that repeated part is called period. So what is the period of sin x? Period of sin x is length of this part. What is the length of this part? 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi is 2 pi minus 0, that is 2 pi. What it is? 2 pi. So we can say period of sin x is equals to 2 pi. Suppose instead of giving sin x, they have given what is the period of sin ax. So here x coefficient is there. Already I have told you, if we have a coefficient for x, where it will come? It will be in the denominator, but it should be positive. It should be positive. Okay, now understood? What is the period of sin x? It is 2 pi. And what is the period of sin ax? It is 2 pi divided by modulus of a. Am I clear to you? Right. Then next let us see, f of x is equals to cos x. First let us see cos x. So take x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we can take the values from 0, 90, okay now, 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270, minus 360, and this is y-axis. On y-axis we require the values from 0 to plus 1 and 0 to minus 1. Okay now let us mark the values. We know the value of cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? The value of cos 0 is 1. So this is the point. Next, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 1, cos 270 0, and cos 360 is 1, right? So how you are getting the graph? The graph is coming like this. Next, a cos of negative 90, this is 0. Cos of negative 180, cos of negative 180 is negative 1, because cos of minus theta is cos theta, and 0 and plus. So again the graph is going like this. So here also you can observe clearly the shape what we have between minus 90 and plus 90. It is repeating. Here to here what we have, the same part is repeating. Or else you can take a 0, 0 here to here. The U-shaped curve is repeating again and again. The U-shaped curve is repeating again and again. So what is the what length is repeating here? 0 to 360 length is repeating. 0 degrees to 360 degrees length is repeating. So from this what do you write? We can write cos x is a periodic function. First point is cos x is periodic function, and the period of a function cos x is how much? 2 pi. And suppose the function is looking like a cos ax, then what do we write? We can write a 2 pi divided by modulus of a. The coefficient of x is a, that is the reason we are writing 2 pi divided by modulus of a. Clear? And next, cosecant is there. For example, previously we have done previously we have done cos, no? Previously we have done sine. Then what is the periodicity for sine reciprocal? Let us move to that page. What is the period for sine reciprocal? Sine reciprocal is cosecant x. So period of cosecant ax also same. What is that? 2 pi divided by modulus of a. And now if we see the period of secant x, what it is? This is also same as 2 pi divided by modulus of a. Then next, what trigonometric ratios are left? More two trigonometric ratios are left. What are they? Tan x and cot x. Let us discuss about tan x and cot x. You know the graph of tan x and cot x. Oh, one second. Yeah, we don't have any more pages. Then let us see here itself. F of x is equals to tan x. Okay, I am using another color to draw this graph. F of x equal to tan x, yellow color. So here we have 0, 90, next 180, 270 and 360, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270 and minus 360. These are the values we have, and here it is a plus 1 and here it is minus 1. If you mark the values, what you get if you mark the values? Tan 0. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Next, tan 45 is 1. Okay na? And tan 90 is infinity. Tan 90 infinity means tan 90 is infinity. Then the graph graph cannot touch this line, but it can go like this. And bottom side also same. If you take minus 90 here, it will come like this. Like this, it oscillates. It oscillates in the interval of, what is the length of this interval? It is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. What is the length from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2? This is a pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. This could be equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This could be 2 pi by 2. It is pi. So what is the period of tan x? Tan x is pi. Then what is the period of tan ax? The period of tan ax is pi divided by modulus of a, right? And the reciprocal of tan x is cot x. What is the reciprocal of tan x? Cot x. For cot x also, what is the period? It is pi. For cot ax, what is the period? It is a pi divided by modulus of a. So this is about the period of trigonometric functions. Okay, now this is the period of trigonometric functions. And modulus functions, for example, mod sin x is there, and mod cos x is there, and mod tan x is there. Any trigonometric function is there in modulus, then the periodicity is pi. Then the periodicity is pi. The remaining functions period we can discuss tomorrow. Okay. Now let us see the problems. Before going to start the problems, you look at this Spark Academy app. It is download our app for great discounts on our courses. Next, this is about material. So here we have we are providing you the free handwritten notes and free study materials, previous year questions and free mock test. Next, on the screen what you are seeing, that is offline classroom environment of our Narayanguda branch. Admissions are open for the academic year 22-23. So join now. Classroom coaching and online coaching both are available. Inter plus EAMCET or JEE NEET timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and long-term coaching timings are morning 10 to evening 4, that is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and regular coaching for 11th and 12th timings are 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. School tutorial timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, school tutorial timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. We have branches at Narayanguda, Medipatnam and ECIL. For more details, you may contact 9133380172 or 8977525461. So link in description. Here it is. What you are seeing on the screen, that is a Spark store. So in this Spark store, we would like to see the long-term courses for 22-23 and crash courses for 2022 and 23. Mock tests are available, previous year questions with solutions available, full length test papers and study materials. We provide you the coaching for JEE Mains, NEET, EAMCET and IIT Foundation and Ellipse more. High quality courses with great offers and discounts. Don't be late, try to purchase now. Next, just now what I have explained here separately given. NEET 2022 available, try to purchase it, and JEE Mains 2022 is available, try to purchase it, and EAMCET 2022 is available, try to purchase it. While purchasing any course or while buying any course, you can use the code like CHA10. If you use this code CHA10, you can get a 10% discount on your course fee. You can get a 10% discount on your course fee. So if you take a CHA here, CHA10, okay na? Next, daily on demand live sessions. So the first box showing us live sessions videos. So maths on demand sessions, physics on demand sessions, chemistry on demand sessions, and 2nd June 2021 on demand sessions. Date wise sessions are there and subject wise sessions also there. Okay, these all are videos, subject wise videos. And in this we have live classes here: physics class, math class, bio class and chemistry class. All the classes are there here, right? Next one is about common live sessions. In these common live sessions, assignments are available and tests are available, then test details. Next, what is our methodology? Our methodology is basic concepts, shortcut methods, all model questions, exercise questions, previous year questions, chapter wise test, weekend test, grand test, and test analysis. Next, why to choose Spark Academy? Because highly experienced faculty, personalized coaching, process oriented coaching, personal mentoring and doubt clarifications, limited batch size. Still, if you have any doubt, you may contact 9133800172 or 8977525461. So here a type of coaching and what is the future of the course. Suppose you have chosen access to the classroom. It is available in only hybrid coaching, not in online coaching. Access to online. This feature is available in both hybrid and online coaching. Books available in only hybrid coaching. Online study material is available both in hybrid and online coaching. Weekly tests are available in both hybrid and online coaching. Grand test also available in both hybrid and online. Finally, doubt clarification also available in both hybrid and online. In hybrid by person it can be clarified, but in online it can be clarified by online mode only, right? Okay, let us see the questions. What is this question number 1? Question number 1 is, what is the period of the function tan of 3x plus 5? Already I have explained you what is the period of tan x. 1 second, we can change the color of the ink. Yeah, so here we know that the period of tan, what is period of tan x? Period of tan x is 5, and we know what is the period of tan ax. Period of tan ax is pi by mod a, right? Now what they are asking us what is the period of tan of 3x plus 5. So what is the period of tan of 3x plus 5? Generally what is the period? Pi is the period. So pi, and what is the coefficient of 3 here? The coefficient of x here 3. So it could be pi by 3. So what is the period of tan of 3x plus 5? It is pi by 3. Clear? Next, let us do question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is, what is the period of sine of x plus 2x plus 6x? So here first let us write the formula for period of sine x. So the period of sine x is equals to, what is the period of sine x? Period of sine x is equals to 2 pi, and then we can write a period of sine ax. Period of sine ax is 2 pi divided by modulus of a. And now let us see what is the period of given question. So here the given question is sine of x plus 2x plus 6x. This can be simplified as 9x. It is equal to sine 9x. Then the period of sine 9x will be equals to, here in place of a 9 is there, so it could be 2 pi divided by 9. What is the answer? 2 pi divided by 9. Next, question number 3. What is question number 3? What is the period of cos of x plus 2x plus 3x plus and so on plus nx? So first here cos x is there. You write first what is the period of cos x. Period of cos x is equals to, 2 pi, and the period of cos ax is equals to 2 pi divided by modulus of a. Now let us take the given question. What is the given question here? Cos of x plus 2x plus 3x plus and so on plus nx. So here x we can take out common. Cos x of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. So what is the sum of this first n natural numbers? N times n plus 1 divided by 2. N times n plus 1 divided by 2. So we can write here cos of n times n plus 1 divided by 2 into x. So what do we write? We can write as cos of n of n plus 1 by 2 into x. Already we know the formula for cos ax, that is 2 pi by modulus of a. So for cos of n plus 1 by 2, what is the formula? 2 pi divided by n of n plus 1 whole divided by 2. We can write this as 4 pi divided by n of n plus 1. So what is the option here? Second option is correct. 4 pi divided by n of n plus 1. Clear? Right. Let us see the next question. Question number 4. So question number 4 is, what is the period of 6 plus 7 cos square x? What is the period of 6 plus 7 cos square x? First let us try to simplify this. Let us try to simplify this. What do we get? 7 plus 6 cos square x. So we know the formula for cos 2x. What is the formula for cos 2x? Cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x, and cos square x minus of 1 minus cos square x. We can write this as cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. So finally we can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Minus 1 send this side. 1 plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x. So 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2, which is equals to cos square x. So 7 times 7 plus 6 times 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. 2 will go 3 times. So 7 plus 3 plus 3 cos 2x. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 times cos 2x. 10 plus 3 times cos 2x. So here the period of cos x. What is the period of cos x? Period of cos x is 2 pi. And what is the period of cos 2x? Period of cos 2x will be equals to 2 pi divided by 2. That is pi. So period of cos 2x is equals to pi. Then period of 10 plus 3 times cos 2x is also pi. Okay, now answer is 2. Right. Next, let us see question number 5. What is question number 5 here? Question number 5 is tan 4x plus secant 4x plus secant 4x. First let us try to simplify this. Tan 4x is secant 4x, or else we can write directly also. We have to know the period of tan x. What is the period of tan x? It is pi. Then what is the period of tan 4x? Tan 4x is pi by 4. The period of tan 4x is pi by 4. Next, similarly, secant x. What is the period of secant x? It is 2 pi. And what is the period of secant 4x? It is 2 pi divided by 4. That is what? Pi by 2. So take it as f1. F1 function period is pi by 4. Okay. And take it as f2. F2 function's period is pi by 2. So we have to we require here what is the period of f1 plus f2. The period of f1 plus f2 is nothing but LCM of period of f1 comma f2. LCM of period of f1 comma f2. So here LCM of what is the period of f1? It's pi by 4. And what is the period of f2? It's pi by 2. So what is the LCM of pi by 4 and pi by 2? Pi by 4 means 45, pi by 2 means 90. 45 comma 90 LCM is 90. So the answer is pi by 2. Option number 4 will come. Is it okay? Right. Next, question number 6. So in question number 6 we have 4 trigonometric functions. Name it as f1 and f2, and take this as f3, and next take this as f4. So here first let us write the periods of 1 by 1. Period of f1. Period of f1. What is that f1? Here f1 is sin 2x. What is the period of sine 2x? What is the period of sine 2x? 2 pi by 2. What it is? It is pi. Then next, period of f2. What is the period of f2? Period of cos 2x. What is the period of cos 2x? It is also 2 pi by 2, that is pi. Next, period of f3. What is the period of f3 here? F3 is cos x. So what is the period of cos x? The period of cos x is 2 pi. Next, period of sin x. What is the period of sin x? Period of sin x also 2 pi. Period of sin x also 2 pi. Period of sin x is also 2 pi. So we got the LCM, we got the period of f1, f2, f3 and f4. Now let us calculate the period of given question. Therefore, the period of given question is, what is the period of given question? LCM of pi comma pi comma pi 2 pi comma 2 pi. Pi means 180. 180 comma 180 is 180 and 360 comma 360 is 360. So finally 180 comma 360 is 360. Answer could be equals to 2 pi. The period of 2 sin x minus 5 cos 2x divided by 7 cos x minus 8 sin x is 2 pi. Clear? Right. Next, question number 7. What is question number 7? Cos to the power of 6x. Cos to the power of 6x plus sin to the power of 6x. We can first, let us try to simplify this. Cos to the power of 6x nothing but cos square x whole cube. Sin to the power of 6x is nothing but sin square x whole cube. We can use the formula called a cube plus b cube. It is equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. So here a value is cos square x plus sin square x whole cube minus 3 times ab, 3 times cos square x into sin square x into a plus b, again cos square x plus sin square x. So cos square x plus sin square x is 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. So finally we can write this as 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 sin x cos x a whole square. So it could be equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin 2x. 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2x. Isn't it? We are getting sin square 2x. Now let us write this sin square 2x as, I can tell you one formula, again cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus cos 2x is equals to what? 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x. Got it? 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 is equals to sin square x. In place of x here we have 2x. So in place of 2x what do you get? 4x you can get. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2. So simplify this. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. 3 by 8 minus into minus plus. Okay now 3 divided by 8, 4 2s are 8 into cos 4x. What is this 1 minus 3 by 8, 8 minus 3, 5. So finally we are getting the given question as 5 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 8 into cos 4x. You know the period of cos x. Period of cos x is 2 pi and the period of cos 4x. What is the period of cos 4x? 2 pi divided by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s. So finally the answer is pi by 2. What option it is? This is first option. Yes, am I clear to you? Right, then let us move to the next question. Question number 8. Already in the beginning I have told you, if any trigonometric function has modulus, then its period, what is its period? Pi. So here we have modulus of sin x. What could be the period? Pi. And what is the function? Take it as f1. And take f2 function as modulus of cos x. What is the period? Pi. Then f1 plus f2 is nothing but modulus of sin x plus modulus of cos x. So f1 period is pi and f2 period is pi. If they are like in addition, we have to take the LCM of both the periods, period of given function is equals to LCM of pi comma pi. So what is the LCM of pi comma pi? It is simply pi. So the period of given function is pi. Okay. Right. Next question, question number 9. What is question number 9? Period of sin x. Question number 9 is period of sin x. First let us try to simplify this. Sin x into sine of 120 degrees minus x into sine of 120 degrees plus x. If you know what is this directly, you can write it. If you don't know, you can try to calculate this. So here we have sin x into sin a plus b into sin a minus b. What it is? Sin square 120 minus sin square x. Okay, sin square a minus sin square b. So sin x into, what is this sin square 120? This is a sine of 90 plus 30, sir. 120 means sine of 90 plus 30 a whole square minus sin square x. And what is this 90 plus 30? 90 plus 30 is cos square 30. Cos square 30 degrees minus sin square x. So sin x into cos square 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4 minus sin square x. Then you multiply with the sin x, so that you get 3 sin x by 4 minus sin cube x. If you take the LCM, what you get? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x divided by 4. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x divided by 4. So what is this 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x? It is a sin 3x. Sin 3x divided by 4. So this is the answer for given question. So for this we have to calculate the period. Already you know the period of sin x. What is the period of sin x? The period of sin x is 2 pi. So if the period of sin x is 2 pi, then the period of sin 3x, the period of sin 3x by 4. So here x coefficient is only 3, not 3 by 4. X coefficient is only 3. So this could be equals to 2 pi by 3. Then what is the answer for question number 9? It is 2 pi by 3. What is the answer for question number 9? It is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Next question. Sine function whose period is 6. So here 4 options are given. First option, let us check the first option. What is first option? 2 pi by 3 of x. What is the period? Here function, and this side period. So sine 2 pi by 3 into x. What is the answer? 2 pi divided by 2 pi by 3. 2 pi gets cancelled. Answer is 3. Second option. What is second option? Sine pi x by 3. Sine pi x by 3. What it is? 2 pi divided by pi by 3. Pi gets cancelled. 3 to the 6. And third function, sine pi x by 6. Sine pi x by 6 means 2 pi divided by pi by 6. Pi gets cancelled. 12 we are getting. And the next function is sine 3 pi x by 2. What it is? 2 pi divided by 3 pi by 2. Pi cancel. 2 will go up 4 by 3. What they are asking, sine function whose period is 6. So where we are getting 6? For second option we are getting 6. So second option is correct. Okay, that's about today's questions. And you can join our Telegram link to get the regular updates and to get the previous year question papers with the solutions. And this is your homework. Question number 1, the period of cos of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x. So simplify this x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x. Then you can find out the period for cos function. It is, you can get this as with the help of the formula, like sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Okay. And question number 2, period of cos of x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 plus and so on up to infinity. So this is geometric progression. Use s infinity formula in geometric progression to get that. And after simplifying, take the period of cosec What is the period of cosecant x? It is 2 pi. Next, the period of tan x plus cot x. The period of tan x plus cot x, here two different functions, tan x and cot x. So take tan x as f1 of x and cot x as f2 of x. The period of tan x is pi and the period of cot x also pi. F1 period is pi and f2 period also pi. Then the LCM of pi comma pi is pi. You can get the answer directly, pi. Right? Actually, this is your homework question now. I told the answer completely. And next, subscribe to our channel and press the bell for regular notifications. Next, here you can see the TS EAMCET 2022 result summary and NEET 2022 result summary. Let us see separately. So TS EAMCET 2022 Spark Academy result summary. We have less than 200, less than 2000. The students less than 2000 are 10%. And next, 2000 to 10,000 we have 18% of the students, and next 10,000 to 20,000 10% of the students, 20,000 to 30,000 9% of the students, and more than 30,000 53% of the students are there. Next, TSMC 2022 Spark Academy result summary. Percentage of selections: in 2017 72% of the students are selected, in 2018 80% of the students are selected, in 2019 88% of the students selected, and in 2020 93% of the students are selected, and in 2021 95% of the students are selected, and in 2022 also 95% of the students are selected. Highest rank in engineering is 1937 and highest rank in agriculture is 2020. Percentage of studying are projected in top 10 colleges. In 2017 35% of the students are studying got selected in top 10 colleges. In 2018 52% of the students, and in 2019 70% of the students, and in 2020 84% of the students, and in 2021 85% of the students, and finally in 2022 87% of the students got seat in top 10 colleges. And next, Spark Academy JEE Mains 2022 results. Here percentage of students qualified is 66 and highest percentile 99.12, and percentage of students who improved from first attempt 82%, and percentage of students who got above 95 percentile, that is 40. Highest category all India rank is 2200. Number of toppers category wise OBC, SC, ST and EWS is 10. Okay. And next, key number of students studying in Spark Academy. If you see, the average percentage of Spark students is 87%, but average percentage of TS students is 60. Okay. And pass percentage of Spark Academy is 98%, and the pass percentage of TS students is 67%. Total toppers number of students who scored 98 plus, that all are 7. Yeah, these all are our IIT, our intermediate toppers. Okay, 989 up to 952, everyone is given, including hall ticket number also. And this is Spark Academy NEET 2022 result. Highest score year wise, and selections. First, highest score in 2019 the highest score is 550, in 2020 575, in 2021 608, in 2022 650. And next, in selections, 2019 88% of the students selected, in 2020 93% students selected, in 2021 95% of the students selected, and in 2022 98% of the students are selected. Next, number of students in MBBS, BDS and BA HMS. In 2020 15 are there, in 2021 19 are there, in 2022 27 students are there. Okay, admissions are open now for long term batches. We have the branches at Narangoda, Medipatnam, ECIL, and also we provide the classes in online. For more details, you may contact 8977525461. Join now, don't be late. And yeah, after school tuitions also available from this year. The timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Here we have limited batch size, help with the homework and test, teaching from basics, personalized coaching, regular performance tracking, student progress updated to the parents. These after school tuitions are available in Narangoda, Hyderabad branch. Okay, for more details you may contact 8977525461. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell.